Vocabulary for the restaurant. Fast food restaurant. Diner. Restaurant customer. Host. Hostess. Restaurant manager. Busboy. Menu. Restaurant cashier. Kitchen staff. Food. Meal. Breakfast. Appetizer. Main course. Lunch. Dinner. Dessert. Beverage. Water. Juice. Soda. Coffee. Tray. Tea. Tablecloth. Straw. Pepper shaker. Ketchup. Mustard. Sauce. Condiment. Sugar. Tip. Bill. Reservation. Wait in line. Table number. Serve. Order food. Table service. Buffet. Wait for food. Self-service. Restaurant counter. Restaurant kitchen. Serving spoon. Serve food. Pay the bill. Delivery. Eat at restaurant. Takeaway. Food order. Special of the day. Candle. Flower vase. Music. Food counter. Menu board. Chef's uniform. Dirty dishes. Wash dishes. Chef's hat. Chef's apron. Dining area. Restaurant. Café. Waiter. Waitress. Chef. Snack. Milkshake. Dining table. Chair. Napkin. Plate. Bowl. Cup. Glass. Mug. Spoon. Fork. Knife. Chopsticks. Salt shaker. Receipt. Stove. Oven. Grill. Pot. Pan. Ladle. Credit card. Teaspoon. Garlic press. Ice cream scoop. Frying pan. Saucepan. Wok. Kettle. Pressure cooker. Rice cooker. Baking tray. Casserole dish. Spatula. Whisk. Tongs. Peeler. Grater. Strainer. Colander. Cutting board. Rolling pin. Mixer. Blender. Juicer. Toaster. Microwave. Coffee maker. Measuring cup. Measuring spoons. Jar. Bottle. Can. Can opener. Plastic container. Thermos. Basket. Pepper grinder. Dish rack. Sponge. Trash can. Refrigerate. Freezer.